Check out this really nice bathroom faucet here we just got installed here in our new bathroom and our new sink. So you can see this is really versatile. You can adjust it, angle it any different way you like. You can turn it, pivot it, so super nice. You can easily wash big items in here. You can wash your head in here in the sink because you can rotate it any way you like. So super cool and versatile. It's a nice clicking sound as well. It also has this LED temperature display right there. So you can see cold water, nice and cold here. It's getting cooler, and then if you want to turn on the hot water, you'll see the temperature go up. It'll give you a warning there. It's getting hotter and hotter right there. So that is really cool. And then the other thing you can do is turn this to adjust the spray. So you can see super cool there. You can see it'd be really good to wash large things in here. You can wash your hair, your baby, pet, whatever. Big items in here. So super cool. Looks really nice. Really modern industrial look. So you can see how nice it looks there with a modern sink. So yeah, if you are looking for a really cool faucet, definitely check this one out.